at your workmanship and fall away from understanding. Straight lines blur as we wander, close enough to see us through. And cleanse your hands, your heart, your mind, your soul. All of this will fall before the door. Let's long for dusty feet, longing in the cold light of day. Let's long for dusty feet, longing when distractions come our way. We stand in every footstep, but we're too far behind your eyes. Blinding lights are on our feet. Still we're walking with our sight.